Have you ever wondered why your weight loss journey seems like an uphill battle? It's a common question that many of us ask ourselves as we navigate the winding path towards healthier living. There's no denying that losing weight can be a challenge, often presenting us with hurdles that can seem insurmountable. One of the most common struggles that people face on their weight loss journey is the constant battle between desire and discipline. The tantalizing allure of comfort food versus the rigor of a balanced diet. Another frequent obstacle is the lack of visible progress. We live in a world that craves instant gratification, and when results aren't immediately apparent, it's easy to feel disheartened and give up. These struggles often lead to frustration and abandonment of the weight loss plan. It's a vicious cycle that many of us are all too familiar with. But don't worry, understanding these challenges is the first step towards overcoming them. One common pitfall in the weight loss journey is setting unrealistic goals. It's all too easy to be swept up in the enthusiasm of beginning a new health regimen and aim for the stars. However, this often leads to disappointment and demotivation when we don't see immediate, drastic results. It's essential to understand that weight loss is a gradual process. The danger of unrealistic goals lies not just in the potential for disappointment, but also in the risk of pushing ourselves too hard, too fast. This can lead to burnout or worse, injury. Instead, consider setting small, achievable goals. Maybe it's losing 1 pound a week or walking for 30 minutes a day. Celebrate each milestone no matter how small. This approach not only keeps you motivated, but also cultivates a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle change. Remember, your weight loss journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Another challenge many face is neglecting their mental health. When embarking on a weight loss journey, it is easy to focus solely on physical transformations, but the mind plays a significant role too. Your mental health can greatly influence your determination, motivation, and overall success. A positive mindset is a powerful tool. It can help you overcome obstacles, remain focused, and keep you motivated. Strategies such as mindfulness, meditation, and positive affirmations can be incredibly beneficial. Mindfulness encourages you to be present and aware, helping you to make more conscious food and exercise choices. Meditation, on the other hand, can reduce stress and anxiety, which are often triggers for emotional eating. Positive affirmations can boost your self-esteem and confidence, making the journey more enjoyable and less daunting. Remember, this journey is not just about the number on the scale, it's also about improving your overall well-being. A healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. Lack of support can also hinder your weight loss journey. It's like trying to climb a steep mountain without a harness. You may get there, but it's a lot harder and riskier. Having a support system is the harness that makes the climb manageable and safer. But where can you find this support? Well, there are various ways to build a supportive environment. Joining a fitness group is a great start. It allows you to meet like-minded individuals who are also striving to lead healthier lives. It's an avenue to share experiences, learn from each other, and motivate one another. Another option is to share your journey with friends and family. They can help hold you accountable, provide encouragement, and celebrate your successes along the way. Remember, everyone has unique struggles, but you don't have to face them alone. Reach out, connect, and build your support network. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Lastly, unrealistic diet plans can sabotage your weight loss journey. We've all seen those extreme diets that promise rapid weight loss in a short amount of time. They may sound tempting, but these diets often lead to a vicious cycle of losing and regaining weight, known as yo-yo dieting. What's worse, these diets can be harmful to your health, causing nutritional deficiencies and even metabolic damage. Instead, consider adopting a balanced, sustainable eating plan. This doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite foods. It's about finding a middle ground, where you nourish your body with whole, nutrient-dense foods most of the time, but also allow yourself to enjoy treats in moderation. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all diet. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. The best diet is one that you can stick to long-term, that makes you feel good and supports your overall health. A balanced diet is a cornerstone of a successful weight loss journey. Let's recap the key points we've discussed today. Our conversation today has been about the common challenges that could potentially derail your weight loss journey and how to navigate through them effectively. Firstly, we've talked about the danger of setting unrealistic goals. It's important to remember that weight loss is a gradual process and not an overnight miracle. Setting goals that are too ambitious can lead to frustration and disappointment. Instead, aim for attainable, incremental goals that will keep you motivated and on track. Next, we highlighted the often overlooked aspect of weight loss: mental health. It's not just about the physical changes, but also about maintaining a positive mindset throughout this journey. Neglecting your mental health can lead to stress and emotional eating, which can hinder your progress. To overcome this, find healthy ways to deal with stress, like meditation or yoga, and remember to be kind to yourself. We also touched on the importance of a support system. Lack of support can make the journey feel lonely and overwhelming. Surrounding yourself with people who understand and encourage your weight loss efforts can make a significant difference. If you don't have that support in your immediate circle, consider joining a fitness group or online community. Lastly, we discussed the pitfalls of unrealistic diet plans. Starvation or extreme diets are not sustainable, nor are they healthy. Instead, adopt a balanced diet that includes all the essential nutrients. Remember, it's about making a lifestyle change, not just a temporary fix. Remember, the journey to weight loss may not be easy, but with the right strategies, you can overcome these challenges and achieve your goals. With patience, perseverance, and a positive mindset, you can make your weight loss journey a successful one. It's not about being perfect, it's about making small, consistent changes that lead to big results in the long run.